Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add days in pivot table. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So in this data you can see the date column is showing, but in pivot table I want the days. Okay, so as of 14th March, then 8 August. So this way I want the days. So let's see how it's add. So here I'm going to create first pivot table. To create pivot table, select the entire data. Just drag with the mouse and you can select here the entire data. Okay. And the second way, simply select the inside the cell and use here the shortcut key Control A to select the entire data. After that, go to the insert tab. In tables group, have a pivot table option. Just click on this drop down arrow, then click on this first option from table or range. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, the pivot table from table or range. The first option is select table range. So here the range is automatically selected and then choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. So new worksheet. So here the new worksheet is added in the same Excel file. Okay. So then click on the OK. That's it. Here you can see the second sheet is added to create pivot table. With this, two tabs also added here, the pivot table analysis and design. So let's see. So here in pivot table fields, so you can just drag and drop here to create the pivot table. So I just drag the date in rows group, okay? And here you can see the date is added. First select the cells. So you just select this column, okay? Then go to the pivot table analysis in group, the group selection option available. Click on the group selection and here you can see the grouping dialog box is open. The date is automatically selected as per your data. And here, so here I'm going to create the data days wise. So deselect this all three options. Just click and deselect it and select the days. Okay. Then click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the data is converted in days. So 14 March, 17 March, 13 March, 13 April. So that's it. And here I'm just going to add the values to create my pivot table. That's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.